We're going to review shoulder pendulums. The first thing you always want to do is make sure you're holding a steady surface, like a counter or a table, nothing that moves or has wheels. What you're going to do with your non-surgical or injured arm, you're going to hold something stable, feet apart. The first exercise you're going to do is lean forward, allowing that arm to relax. And you're going to go just rock your body side to side. And as you can see, I've bent to approximately about 90 degrees, and just to allow my arm to come away from my side. So you're just going to rock side to side. So that's the first exercise. The next exercise, you're going to stay in the same position, and you're going to just do circles. So you're going to rock your hips, kind of like you're doing a hula hoop. You're going to go clockwise, and then counterclockwise. And again, just nice and slow and controlled. If you ever get dizzy or woozy, you want to make sure that you stop the exercise and you have a chair nearby so you can sit down. The last exercise that you have, you're going to put one foot in front of the other, kind of like a bowling stance. You're going to bend your knees just slightly, lean forward to approximately 90 degrees, 70 to 90 degrees, to allow that arm to come away from your torso, and you're just going to rock forward and back. And those are the 4 exercises for pendulum.